Make a great choice today with the 2017 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, body color door handles, roof rack. Inside you'll find trip computer, cup holders, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.